Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola and I do all things skincare, beauty and lifestyle. So if you're a new subscriber, do not consider this video your last. Watch other videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Yep, because it helps the algorithm to actually push our content to people who also need more videos like this. And if you're returning subscribers, yay! You are the real MVP. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. Now today we are going to talk about exfoliation 101. What you need to know about exfoliation and why it looks like everybody's raving about it and everybody's talking about it, and you're wondering why exactly do I need to exfoliate? What is so important about exfoliation? And trust your girl, I'm going to bring it down to the level that you can understand, so that when you're at the store you can actually buy what? Your own exfoliating product. I said exfoliating product. I did not say scrub and I did not say any other thing. I said exfoliating products. Now I'm going to be talking about that in today's video. So if that looks like something that you're interested in, please watch this video to the end. Do not skip in between. Do not rush it. Watch this video to the end and let's just get started. All right, what is exfoliation? Exfoliation is the act of removing dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. Picture that your skin is like my hand right here. Okay, when you exfoliate, there are layers to your skin. In fact, as much as 3 about 3 or 4 layers to your skin. Okay, exfoliation means that you need to remove dead skin cells, and the skin goes through a cell turnover phase that forms between 28 to 31 days, depending on your age, on the phase of life that you are in, okay? So that your skin would actually allow skincare products, that's your moisturizer, your body wash, the ingredients in your body wash, to penetrate into your skin, okay, so it can deliver results for your skincare. Basically, that is the genesis of why people are always talking about you need to exfoliate, you need to exfoliate, you need to exfoliate. That is why it is really, really important. To you, it might be something that you are not used to, but trust me, if you see it from that perspective, I have many layers to my skin, and if I don't get rid of dead skin cells, skincare products or the ingredients in my skincare products that are actually supposed to deliver benefits to my skin will not penetrate and will not work. So that means I need to exfoliate. Now let's talk about both face and body. There are 2 types of exfoliants. We have physical exfoliants and we have chemical exfoliants. When you talk about chemical exfoliants, we are talking about exfoliants that are like synthesized in chemical ways in the form of acids. We have Glycolicacid, Salicylic acid, Mandelicacid, Lacticacid, which I don't currently have in my script right here, but those are like the top acids that you have when it comes to exfoliating chemical exfoliants. Okay, when it comes to chemical exfoliants, those are the acids that we have under chemical exfoliants. Now when it comes to physical exfoliants, you have your basic salt or sugar scrub, coffee scrub, any kind of scrub that you use on the surface of your skin. Now this is where it gets really, really tricky. Your face is different from your body. Why? Because the texture is different, the makeup is different, which means that some people can actually tolerate physical exfoliants. And when I talk about physical exfoliants, I mean scrub. And I have a scrub with me here. This is the one from my brand. Some people can tolerate physical exfoliants, and you can almost see how grainy like it looks. It looks really, really grainy. I don't know if you guys can see it. The lighting here is always a lot. It looks really, really grainy. Okay, a lot of people can't tolerate using something as aggressive as this on their face. Why? Because their skin type is really, really sensitive. However, if your skin is normal and you've actually tried physical scrubs in the past and they didn't give you any kind of adverse reaction or something, maybe you can actually use physical scrub. But I'm going to give you a very good alternative, and this is something that even I have been using recently. This is the Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner with AHA. AHA means alpha hydroxy acid and BHA means beta hydroxy acid. And this is an exfoliating toner. Right here, an exfoliating toner. Now this is how I approach it, okay? And this is the knowledge that I want to give you guys. When you're talking about your face, you don't want to use something that is too harsh, that won't get the job done. You want to use something in between that will exfoliate without also compromising on your skin's moisture barrier or triggering your skin's irritation, okay? You don't want something that will irritate your skin, but you also want something that will get the job done. Now, how do you choose the right exfoliant for your skin type? First, you need to know that if you're normal to combination, glycolic acid is really, really good for you. That means your skin can tolerate glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is what? An alpha hydroxy acid. It's also a chemical exfoliant. But if your skin is sensitive, acne prone or something, I would advise you not to use glycolic acid. However, if your skin is normal to combination, okay, you can use glycolic acid. And a very good example of glycolic acid is the ordinary glycolic acid in 7% solution. It is 7%. That means it is really concentrated. That means if your skin is not normal to combination and you use that kind of product, it will trigger irritation, redness, and just your skin will just be so inflamed, you'll be wondering, who sent me to actually exfoliate? Well, and some of the major benefits of exfoliation is really to improve your skin cell turnover. It will help you to get rid of dead skin cells. It will help with collagen growth, like your skin will produce and have a really beautiful bounce and glow to it. It is collagen and elastin that allows your skin to have that youthful glow to it. But if you have layers upon layers upon layers of dead skin cells on your face and on your body, of course your skin's texture will not look good and you won't have that natural, flawless, glazed donut effect to your skin, even if you use a lot of skincare products. Okay, so exfoliation is really, really important for those benefits that I just mentioned. If you're dry skin, lactic acid is really, really good, because the peculiarity of treating dry skin means that you need to be sure that you're not using something that will strip your skin of more moisture. Why? Because your skin is already dry. So if you're using something that is stripping your skin of more moisture, it will exfoliate your skin, but the chances of you getting irritated is higher. So you want to use a gentle chemical exfoliant like lactic acid. And The Ordinary has a lactic acid solution. I think it also has a hyaluronic acid inside it. I'm not really sure. But The Ordinary lactic acid exfoliating solution is really, really good for you, and it comes in a saline portion. You only need about 1 to 2 drops. Just apply it on your face, allow it to sit for like 1 to 2 minutes before you wash off and go in with the rest of your skincare routine. And it is recommended that you exfoliate your skin at least 1 to twice a week. That's the minimum, 1 to 2 times a week. So lactic acid if your skin is dry, because you don't want to strip your skin of excess moisture, but you also want to exfoliate. Okay, now if your skin is sensitive, I would encourage you to use Mandelicacid. And it's not really common because quite a lot of people are not sensitive skin. So if you have a sensitive skin type, Mandelicacid is really good. And of course, The Ordinary has Mandelicacid exfoliating solution for you to try, or you can share from other brands like I know Inky List, I know La Roche-Posay, I know quite a lot of other brands that also make skincare solutions that have exfoliating acids inside it. The very next one is acne prone skin, and Salicylic acid is your best bet. And I think I'm just going to stay here for a while. You need to know that the peculiarity of acne prone skin means that your skin is probably oily. That means you want to use something that is helping you to get rid of excess oil, excess gum, your pores from not clogging up. And that means you need an exfoliating solution that is not water soluble. Let me take that again. My skin is acne prone, okay? I don't know the exfoliating acid to use. Salicylic acid is your best bet. Here is why. The fact that your skin is acne prone means that it is most likely oily skin. Okay, most people who have acne are usually oily skin types. Okay, that means you want to use an exfoliating acid that is not water soluble. If you use anything from glycolic to lactic to Mandelicacid, some of those acids are alpha hydroxy acid and they are water soluble. That means water can just get them off the surface of your skin. That means it won't penetrate into your skin's layer to actually do the exfoliation. But if your skin is oily, that means your skin will secrete more oils than usual. You need an acid that will go into your skin, not just stay on top of the surface, but will penetrate into the skin layer like this, okay, and actually help to declog your pores. All those gunk, dirt, excess oil, sebum that are in between your pores that is causing you to have acne, it will go inside and separate it, okay? This is what BHA, that's salicylic acid, that's what it does. It will separate it so that you will get the maximum benefit of exfoliation. Does that make sense? I think it does. Yeah, it really does make sense. So salicylic acid is your best bet if you have acne prone skin and if your skin is oily type. Yeah, that is exactly what I'm trying to say. Now when it comes to physical exfoliants, I've talked about it before. You have sugar and salt scrub, and you also have coffee scrubs. There are quite a lot of scrubs out there, but if you ask me, if your skin is normal to combination and stuff, then you can use either salt or sugar. But if your skin, that's your body now, if your body is dry and sensitive, a sugar scrub is just really good for you. Salt can be a bit harsh. A sugar scrub will help you to get the maximum benefits from exfoliating your body. Now, what are the benefits that we should expect? Let's do a recap. The benefits you should expect include improvements in your skin's natural texture. That means when you exfoliate your skin with a good scrub, it should leave a silky finish on the surface of your skin. And that is exactly what this one from my brand, that is what it does. It leaves an after effect on the skin that is really smooth and silky. What other thing? It should improve your skin cell turnover. It should help with anti-aging. If you're not exfoliating, signs are you will start having early wrinkles, early eye circles, early smile lines. Okay, why? Because you are not exfoliating and your skin cell turnover is so slow, and then your skin's your skin's texture and appearance is not lively, and it's not bouncy, and it's not really attractive. And that is what exfoliation is going to help you to do. So did you enjoy today's video? Did I give you recommendations for physical exfoliants? You can use this one from Tree Hot. I don't know the name now. This is a picture here. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this scrub. If you're not based in Nigeria or you want to get a scrub, you can actually try this particular scrub right here. Very good. Sugar scrub, mild, gentle, will give your skin a flawless, even finish. You won't feel irritated or some sort of weight part of the world. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please, if you did, give this video a thumbs up. I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know in the comment section what kind of scrub do you use, what kind of chemical exfoliant has been working for you. I look forward to talking to you guys in my very next one. Bye guys.